In the 1970s, Italian butcher and small goods producer Princi packed his bags and headed for the lucky country. In 1979, he opened a small butcher shop in Perth, and a few years later, with the help of his nephews, established Princi Smallgoods. Today, the Princi name is synonymous with traditional Italian small goods. From succulent seasoned porchetta and full leg hams, to mouth-watering Italian sausages and gourmet salamis, Princi Smallgoods is the name Australian families trust. Why? Because our products are made using only the finest and freshest ingredients, including 100% Australian pork and beef. All of our products are gluten-free, and we guarantee no artificial colourings and no added MSG, only natural Italian quality and flavour. Princi Smallgoods is now considered one of Australia's largest manufacturers and wholesalers of Italian small goods. And while the company may have expanded over the years, our family traditions and values remain. Still owned and operated by the Princi family, Princi Smallgoods is committed to delivering quality products for generations to come. Princi Smallgoods, purely Australian, naturally Italian.